traders, Sam Shakespeare coming to you live. Just wanted to take a second to deposit some money in my brokerage account, and I wanted to take you through the process with me. As a lot of you guys know already, I've been demoing a new broker in the trade room. They're CryptoRocket, and I like them. One of the things that stood out to me was they have same day withdrawals, and there's not a lot of brokerages that do that, so I want to give them a shot. Another thing I kind of like about them is they take Bitcoin, and basically it's one of the only ways. I think it might even be the only way they take it. I mean, they take credit card too, but basically what they do is buy the Bitcoin and then it deposits it with your credit card. If you have a way to buy Bitcoin, maybe you have Coinbase app or you have a Cash app, some way to buy Bitcoin, then you can send it over to here without any extra verification. The process was really simple. I've already set up an account. So you can set up one here. There's a link in the description. I suggest you do that. Just click the link in the description to take you to CryptoRocket and sign up for an account. And I'll show you how easy it is to deposit some Bitcoin. So I'll sign in. They do have a two-step authentication, so I'm gonna authenticate real quick. Just bear with me. Okay, so now I've two-factor authenticated and I'm in my account. All you have to do to deposit is click the deposit button. So I'm going to deposit Bitcoin. Now they have these three deposit methods. All of them basically end up buying Bitcoin and then putting it in there. So if you already have a way to send Bitcoin, I would just slip Bitcoin. If you choose one of these other methods, you will have to go through a verification process, but if you have a way to buy Bitcoin, you've probably already gone through that process. And if you guys know me, I'm a big believer in long-term Bitcoin, so I would be owning some anyway if I were you guys. And I think the best thing to do is just maybe open an account with Coinbase or Square Cash app, something like that that you can start buying Bitcoin in. It will take a little bit of a verification process through them also, so if you don't already have a way, you're going to need to verify something some way, somehow. Okay, so I'm going to click Bitcoin. Now, even though I'm using Bitcoin, I'm going to put it in as US dollars. Let's deposit $500. Okay. Now I want to see what the exchange rate is. I have some Bitcoin that I bought like a week ago around 6,800. Right now it's floating at 75.85. Not bad. Up almost a 76 from 68. So up 800, like 10, 11%. Who knows? 12%. So we made a little bit on that, but that's not the point. All right. So I'm going to do $500 deposit. Now it's saying to pay 0.0658 this much of Bitcoin below to fund my account. Okay, and I have 15 minutes to do it. I just want to see what that exchange rate is they're giving me real quick. Alright, so 500 divided by this number here, 0.06588,746. 7588 they're giving me for an exchange rate, and right now, hey, that's pretty right on. I mean, Cash App has me at 75.89, and this is already giving me the quote like 2 minutes ago, so there's been some fluctuation. It's giving me 15 minutes to keep this price. Okay, so that's a fair price. I paid 6,800 for my Bitcoin at the time, so I'll close that. And now I can just show my QR code. I'm just doing this from my app. Okay, I've entered it. I'm getting a confirmation on my Cash App. I hit confirm. Okay, it definitely took it out of my account. Okay, I should just be able to hit this now since I've sent it. It says pending. Here it is. The time is now 2 p.m. my time. This is obviously not my time zone because it's 1:50. It was 1:50. It's now 1:57. So it's 4 hours ahead of me. Okay, so I will pause the video now and I will give you an update. All right, traders, that wasn't bad. It took 30 minutes for the transaction to clear. So now I have in my account, I've got, so you can see now in my wallet, I've got $499.85. So I guess somewhere 15 cents came out there, or something got lost in translation. But so now I have this in my wallet. That only took a very short time. I used my Square app. You can use your Coinbase app, same thing. It gives you the Q code, and you can just scan it with your phone, or you can just enter in the wallet address. Either way, it took about 30 minutes to confirm the transaction, and here it is in my wallet. Now, what you do is you need to set up your trading account. Now that I've got the money, I have it in what's called the vault, right? So right now in my USD vault or wallet, I've got 500. I can move those over to any of my accounts that you start up your live trading accounts. So if I go to trading accounts, these are my two live trading accounts. There's no money in either one of these now. See 00. How CryptoRocket does is it has you open a trading account by clicking this button, open a trading account, and then you just say MT4 ECN in dollars, and then you select your leverage up to 1 to 500, and then you click open trading account, and literally within a very short time in your email, you'll get a login email with your account details. And so I've done that twice already. So I've got two accounts here ready for me to put some money into. So I'll go ahead and do it now. Let's go ahead and transfer from our USD to, let's just do one of these accounts, account 1. All right, and now let's just transfer all of it. Let's transfer 499.85 and transfer. Transferred. Boom. Money has been transferred successfully. I hit OK, and boom. Now I see that there is $500 in this trading account. Pretty simple. I'm not going to withdraw anything yet. We're going to make some trades. I'm actually going to put a little more in here. I just wanted to do a sample deposit just to make sure it was as easy as it sounds, and it actually is. So I hope that was a good primer to the CryptoRocket account, opening one. All right, traders, Sam Shakespeare signing out.